Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning to you. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, bringing you another quote to help try kickstart your day. And here are your words of wisdom. The first draft is as bad as the book is ever going to be. Do you have what you think is an incredible idea, but you're scared to even do something about it? What are you scared about? If it won't work, if others think it's stupid, or you don't think you're good enough. The first draft version, the first attempt, is always going to be the worst one. You'll learn what doesn't work, what can help improve it, and how something will work even better. Every version will get better, and at the end, you'll be proud that you took that leap of faith in yourself to even start.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow.